which together that day. It's a international World International Yoga Day. I hope you all are know. Each and every
Yeah, yeah.
year we celebrate a World International Yoga Day. Understood? Last
Yes,
time means
sir.
last year school में सबने yoga करवाया था, but this year is not possible. So you are coming in
Yeah.
school and do the yoga together all. Okay, so you
Yes.
have to prepare any things regarding the International Yoga Day project, written work, otherwise anything. Okay, otherwise you make a video, you are doing a yoga that time, some your brothers or sister record that video and send it to me. Okay, so you have to prepare anything regarding the International Yoga Day. Got my point? So all of you all, what I'm telling you. Okay, and I was told you have to make a book, 100 pages book. So how many students took that book? How many students prepared that book? कौन कौन से स्टूडेंट और कितने स्टूडेंट्स ने वो फेयर बुक बनाई है साइंस लैब की? I want a reply, huh, beta. Please, compulsory. I want a reply. Hello, am I
Yes,
audible all?
sir. Yes, sir.
So why you are not replying? किस किसने फेयर बुक बनाई है साइंस लैब से? As per I was told you, मैंने आप सब लोगों को बोला था कि कंपलसरी आप लोगों को नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में 100 पेजेस की फेयर बुक बनानी है साइंस लैब की.
किसकी सर? साइंस लैब की।
Science lab key. And those who are not in presenting in first lecture, listen carefully. They all are not present in the first lecture. They are all students now write in a rough book, and then after complete this today's session, they would be writing fair book. ओके, जिसके पास अभी फेयर बुक नहीं है वो रफ में लिखे, एंड देन आफ्टर लेक्चर कंप्लीट होने के बाद कंपल्सरी यू हैव टू राइट इन योर फेयर बुक. ओके, एंड योर फेयर बुक इंटरनल मार्क्स है आपकी फेयर बुक, क्यों? तो डोंट फॉरगेट इट. चलो, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बी
हाँ
प्रेजेंट
सर।
माय स्क्रीन एंड यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, मैं अभी प्रेजेंट कर रहा हूँ स्क्रीन यहाँ पर, एंड यू हैव टू राइट इट विथ मी. Just a minute, no? It's break. Okay. Yes. So now take out your book, all my dear students. Definitions of the following. Chalo, start writing, all my dear students.
ऐसे रुको 5 मिनट।
Yes, beta. Do fast, but first of all, put a heading over there. Definition of the following. Who will going to be read that sentence?
सर
Definition
मैं
of the
रीड
following. Yes.
definition of the following. An aim is a single statement that describes purpose.
Just a minute. Single statement
Single statement
that describes
that describes the purpose or reason for why we are conducting an experiment.
very good. Chalo. Very good. Very good. Chalo. Okay. Further, Muhammad Ali माने क्या? Are you there, beta?
Yes, sir.
Beta, start the reading.
Ma'am, sir, I'm reading.
Yes, beta, do.
And him is a single statement
Simple statement that describes
that describes the
the
purpose
purpose or reason for
why we are connecting and
conducting
experiment.
and
Conducting and
experiment. It's very good, Muhammad Ali. Cholo. Then Sufyan. Are you there, Sufyan?
Sir, can I read?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. After that, Sufyan. Yes, Sufyan. Start the reading, beta.
Definition of the following aim. An aim is a single statement that describes the purpose or reason for why we are conducting an experiment.
Now, Sayyid, do beta.
An aim is a single statement that describes the purpose or reason for why we are conducting an experiment.
Very good. Then after further who? चलो साथ में आपको लिखना भी हो.
Yes,
चलो,
sir.
what is the meaning of aim? An aim is the single statement. Just a minute or now. Mute your mic. 2 minutes all. An aim is a single statement. Single statement means what? एक ही sentence में पूरा उसका statement, एक ही sentence में पूरा उसका जो aim होता है वो होता है. That describes. उसमें describe क्या होता है single statement में, single sentence में? The purpose or a reason. The purpose or a reason, both are similar words. Both are synonym. Purpose and reason. Purpose or reason for why we are conducting an experiment means we have to mention in M what we are conducting, what we are doing in the experiment. हम लोग ने experiment में क्या करने वाले हैं? That things we have to mention in M. Understood, all my dear students? So first of all, you have to write this definition in your book now, and then we will move on further. Do fast on. चलो जल्दी लिखना स्टार्ट करो सब लोग. Do fast on.
सर मैंने लिख लिया.
Very good. All my dear students, do fast.
सर इनकी डेफिनेशन बाकी है.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, बेटा. सीधा टाइम में कहाँ पर था तू बेटा अभी तक? Start
Tejik
writing
sir.
this the definition
Tejik
of
sir.
aim. Yes, बेटा.
Science lab no lecture છે.
Yes, बेटा. And speak properly first.
Okay, sir.
चलो जल्दी स्टार्ट करो. Do fast, all my dear students. चलो done. Done, all my dear students.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, so we move on further. Write the definition of apparatus. Do fast on.
Apparatus. A set of materials or equipment designed for a particular use.
Beta, it's apparatus. What? Apparatus. 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 Okay, good. Whether all my dear students start the reading. Sayyid, Sufyan, start.
Can I read?
Yes, beta. Nayani.
A set of materials or equipment designed for a particular use.
A set of materials
Very
or
good.
equipment designed for a
Yes,
particular use.
Sir, can I read?
yes,
Apparatus. A set of materials or equipment designed for a particular use.
very good. Now do fast all. No? लिखो
A
चलो
set
जल्दी.
of materials or equipment designed for a particular use.
So all my dear students, I hope you have done the definition of apparatus. Done all? You still
Yes,
left?
sir.
Okay, chalo now further the definition of substance. Whose mic is on? Whose mic is on, beta? Turn off your mic. Yes, good. Do faster now. Chalo. Then after any 3 to 5 students you have to read. Nayani Mendi,
Can I
Sufyan,
read?
Sahil, Muhammad Ali, Manekia, and Syed. And one more
Sir, sir.
students, you have to
Yes,
read
sir.
one by one. One by one, all. Don't speak
Abstain.
together.
A material
Chalo.
matter or that which a material or matter which has definite chemical composition and distinct properties.
A material, matter, or that which has defined as chemical composition and distinct properties.
And further, who?
A set of materials, substance. A material matter or that which has definite composition and distinct property.
Hello. So, all my dear students, now I'm going to be give the meaning of substance. Okay, what is the meaning of substance? A material, matter, or that which has a definite chemical composition and distinct properties. Means कोई भी material और matter होता है. Matter means which type of the matter? Three types of the matter: solid, liquid, and gases. Okay, so good night once all of you. So that is three matter are to be considered in substance. हम लोग substance में liquid भी ले सकते हैं, solid और gases भी ले सकते हैं. Okay, and what is the synonym of the substance here? Substance is scientific word of for a lab. Okay, and its other word is material, substance. Okay, and we also mention in a any compound. कोई भी कंपाउंड कोई भी सब्सटेंस होता है वो हम लोग मेंशन कर सकते हैं इस चीज में. अंडरस्टूड ऑल माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स? चलो, नाउ फर्दर ऑब्जर्वेशन. यू हैव टू राइट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन. आफ्टर कंप्लीट एनी 3 to 5 students have to read this definition. Do fast all.
सर
बेटा बोल.
सर एक सेकंड पाँच ओली स्लाइड लियो ना सब्सटेंस वाले.
Okay, but you have to telling me properly. Okay, चलो do faster.
Observation.
Sir, thank you.
સર થઈ ગયું.
Observation वाली करना को.
चलो very good. चलो do fast all now. चलो जल्दी हो बेटा. Observation, it means to notice what is going to on through. It means to notice what is going to on through your sense. But more specifically, we can define the observation as the act of knowing and recording something. Means observation हम कब लिखते हैं my dear students? Before practical or after practical? Hello.
After practical.
After practical. So what we have to record in observation? In on terms. So बेटा रीड करना है बट यू ऑन टर्म्स के हम लोग ऑब्जर्वेशन में क्या लिखते हैं? चलो
Sir, yeah, please, I
do
wanted
fast
to
all.
correct you.
Yes, what? Yes, Sufyan, you are telling something. Your voice is breaking, beta. Your voice is not coming properly.
Sir, now
Yes, beta.
observation, it means to notice what's going on through your sense. but more specifically, we can define observation as the act of knowing and recording something.
Sir, can I read?
बेटा मैं ये नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ बट गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन में आफ्टर प्रैक्टिकल व्हाट वी मेंशन हम आप ऑब्जर्वेशन में क्या लिखते हैं ये रीड नहीं करना है अभी चलो बताओ
प्रैक्टिकल ने जो ऑब्जर्व किया वो लिखना है.
ओके वेरी गुड चलो वेरी गुड सो इट मीन्स टू नोटिस हम लोग ने पूरे प्रैक्टिकल में जो जो थिंग्स नोटिस किए वी हैव टू मेंशन दैट थिंग्स what is going on through your sense but more specifically we can define observation as the act knowing recording something मीन्स हम ड्यूरिंग द प्रैक्टिकल जो हुआ जो होने वाला है जो हम लोग ने स्टेप्स किए वो नहीं लिखना है क्या देखा ये हम चीज ऐड करी तो क्या हुआ ये चीज ऐड करी तो क्या मिला क्या रिएक्ट हुआ क्या रिएक्शन हुई एम के मुताबिक so that things we have to mention in observation got my points so do fast all my dear students chalo likho and then after and 3 to 5 minutes have to read this observation one by one all do fast
Sir, written. Sir, I read.
beta no need to asking me do start the reading all chalo
Observation. It means to notice what's going on through your sense, but more specifically, we can define observation as the act of knowing and recording something.
very good beta chalo and one more
Sir, can I read?
yes
Observation. It means to notice what's going on through your sense, but more specifically, we can define observation as the act of knowing and recording something.
students hello
Yes, sir.
chalo then other
Observation. It means to notice what going on through your skin. But more specifically, we can define observation as the art of knowing and recording something.
act of knowing not beta art A-R-T is art and here is A-C-T act very good well try Arman Lakhon chalo and then after who is going to be read further yes beta
It means
Sir, I-
going on through your sense, but more
Observation.
we can define observation as the act of knowing.
Sir, आडो बोली जो.
chalo no problem beta do him complete first चलो कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट पहले कंप्लीट करे चलो जल्दी डू फास्ट कोई भी एक स्टूडेंट कंप्लीट करो
Observation. It means to notice what's going on through your sense, But more specifically, we can define observation as the act of knowing and recording something.
Okay, chalo, very good one. Chalo, so now done the definition of this observation. Done, all my dear students. Can you tell me? So can I turn the page? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Done this observation.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will move on further. Last conclusion.
Continuation.
Conclusion, beta. That word is conclusion.
Continuum. A continuum is a short.
A conclusion is a short paragraph that discusses the overall results of an experimental producer and explains whether the proposed hypothesis at the beginning of the experiment was correct or not.
Okay, chalo. Very
Sir,
good.
बोलो.
Now, first of all, you have to write and then after you have to read it. Yes.
जब हमारे गलत तरीके. Sir, बोलो.
Speak properly. Yes, beta.
Conclusion. A conclusion is a short paragraph that discusses the overall result of experimental product and
Yes, very
explains
good. Then,
whether the proposed hypothesis and the beginning of
hypothesis.
experiment was
Just a minute, just a minute. Yes, was correct
beginning of
or not?
experiment was correct or not.
Okay, chalo. Chalo. Sahil, beta read कर.
Yes, sir. Conclusion. A conclusion is a short paragraph that discusses the overall result of an experimental procedure, and explains whether the proposed hypothesis at the beginning of the experiment was correct or not.
Okay, okay, chalo. Very good. Do fast. I'm going to explain that thing.
Sir,
Yes, beta. Yes,
તમે
beta. Tell me what.
આપણે પીડીએફ મૂકો છો આની? સર
Yes,
તમે
beta. I'm
પીડીએફ
going
મૂકો
to.
છો ગ્રુપ પર?
Yes, yes, yes. But now you have to write in a lecture first.
સર હું મોટો જોઈ ગયો એટલે આખું ઓલો કન્વર્ઝેશન આખું રહી ગયો લખવાનો મેસેજ મોટો જોઈ ગયો.
What?